Hi, welcome to Wind Energy Career Hacks. In this session, we are going to learn total installed wind capacity across India, each state wise. Then we are going to learn what is the total installed capacity till 2002. From 2002 to till now, what is the year on year trend? Also, we are going to see what is the each state's contribution in the year on year growth of the wind installed capacity. Very importantly, you will also learn one important hack how to do the analysis, some excellent hack from the Excel, which will helpful to save you a lot of time whenever you are doing analysis. Then, as usual, always you are going to get a gift from me if you watch the video till the end. Let us start. Hi, welcome back to Wind Energy Career X. I am R. Mahendran. In this video, we are going to learn a lot of useful things for the people who are working in wind energy sector. Before starting, I would like to thank Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Also, like to thank NIBI for keeping this information accessible to us. Let us start. So, the first important thing we would like to watch the state-wise total installed wind capacity till date. Okay, that's the first thing we want to learn. Let us see. So the total installed capacity state-wise till May 2023. This is the latest data available with me. I am sharing with you. Okay, so the Gujarat is leading. They are completed the data in megawatt. Now the installed capacity is Gujarat 10 gigawatt, 10.4 gigawatt. Tamil Nadu is in second place, 10.12 gigawatt. Karnataka in 5.3 gigawatt, third place. Rajasthan in 5.19 gigawatt, and fourth place. Maharashtra 5.02 gigawatt, and Andhra Pradesh leading with 4.09 gigawatt. Madhya Pradesh 2.8 gigawatt. Telangana, Kerala, and other states are covering like 180 megawatt, 128 megawatt, and Kerala is 62.5 megawatt. Other states are 4.3 megawatt. So totally, till May 2023, India is installed 43.198 megawatt. This is the total capacity installed state-wise. Now let us learn the total, like each state-wise means all historical data. Okay, so till 2002, what was the total installed capacity? From 2002 to till now, year on year, how we are progressing, that is what we are going to learn. After that, we can also learn the very important useful hack, which I will show you, really going to help you a lot. So let us start. Statewide install coverage. This graph is, I hope you can see the graph. Like, yes, yes, you can see this completely. So this is year on year, also state-wise contribution. You can see the first year, like, okay, one thing I need to do here, because I want to show all the data. Okay, all the filter. Now you have all the data. You might be seeing like just by clicking this, how everything is changing. This is what the heck I am going to share with you. So state-wise, like initially we crossed somewhere around till 2002. Just remember till 2002, we reached somewhere around 1.6 gigawatt. That means it is a cumulative data. So don't mix with all other data. All other data is yearly data. Only this particular data is cumulative data till 2002 from the historical data. Okay, from 2002 to the financial year 2002-3. From there, you can see closely if you monitor, like first 1 gigawatt in a year achieved in 2004 and 2005. And then first 2 gigawatt achieved in 2010 and 11. That is the first time we reached 2 gigawatt in a single year. That's very important. In the next year itself, 2011 financial year, we achieved 3 gigawatt. It's a really very big jump. Okay, 1 gigawatt in the consecutive year itself achieved. After that, again the trend is started like below 2 gigawatt. Again we reached 2013-14, we reached 2 gigawatt, and the trend is like growing. We again reached in the next three financial year, we reached 2015-16, we reached more than 3.2 gigawatt. Okay, so the very peak, the highest installed capacity in a year, total installed capacity in a year is achieved in 2016 and 17 financial year. That is the biggest thing. More than 5 gigawatt we achieved. After that, the trend is again back to less than 2 gigawatt, 2 gigawatt. And 2019-20, we reached 2 gigawatt. 2020-21 and 21-22, again, we come down to like less than 1.5 gigawatt. Again, we bounce back 2022, 2023. We reached, one second, I will share that number also, 2.2 gigawatt. So this is like how we are progressing in the installation of total wind power in India state-wise. Okay, so it's very difficult to see like how each states are like progressing and contributing for the total installed capacity. So that where we are going to use this particular option. How I get it, how I am using it, everything I will share in few minutes. Now you can see, if I want to see how the contribution from Andhra, just click here. I can see like what is the contribution from Andhra year on year. Okay, really super. Gujarat, yes, this is what I can see. And then I can see for Karnataka, each state wise I can select. I can see like each state wise. Amazing. Like if I want to see or compare only two states, like for example, top two states, Tamil Nadu, as well as I like, you can press shift, I guess, and then you can select Gujarat. Sorry, it's select all the data. I think if you want to select only two, you can use control. If you want to select multiple, then you can use the now only two states. How it is. So this is the contribution from two states. Okay. So like that, you can do a lot of analysis, or you want to do like in different way. That's also possible. For example, you can choose this option, which will help you to alt select. So if you check this, if you select only one state, only that state is removed. All others are selected. So it will do like that. So if I don't want to this, I can do like two states I don't want, other states I can compare. All those things you can do. Then uncheck, like you will back to this. You clear the filter, everything is gone. So you can do a lot of things with only this option. How to create this? Very simple. 3 steps. Okay, very simple 3 steps. Go to like where you collected the data, you take this data, keep it with you. First, you clean up the data properly, you present everything, whatever the, like here I presented state, and here what is the year on year growth. The data is there. So we should thank Nivi for presenting, giving us this data. So this is the first thing. First step, what we need to, once clear, then we need to make this data as a table. Please understand, every one of you might think that if you like have the data in this format, you are thinking it is a table format. Actually, it is not. You have to convert that as a table, then you will get a lot of facilities from Excel to do this. Okay, so how to do it? Just Control A, click inside and select all the data. Which area you want to make that as a table. No space, no like error data. You clear it, keep the perfect data for you to analyze. Then what you can do? Press Control T in your keyboard. Control T. I just type here. Control plus you press T. So you will get one option, like now I will do Control A, Control T. If I click, like you can see, it is going to table design. So you can see here, I can rename it. What is the table? By default, it will come as a table 1, table 2, based on number of times you click. So you will convert this as a table. Then it will show like this, whatever you are seeing now. You want to format your table, you can also do that. Like you want to make it as a green, then also possible, you can do it. So now the data, whatever you have, converted into table. Okay, this is very important hack. Once you done this second part, like what you can do, you can go to insert. You will be inside your table. Go to insert, choose slicer. Okay, choose slicer. If you click slicer, it will list out what are the possible way slicers you can use available here. But the best thing what I want to do, I want to analyze each, like there are two like very important options available here, like state wise each year data you can analyze. That what I selected here. If you want that, you can select and give OK. If you want, like I want to analyze only 2010 data, then you can select this also. So you will get two options. Okay, so here it is. Like this is irrelevant to us, like to do the analysis. So we don't want this because this data is not suitable to analyze in this way. So we can like just select and delete in your keyboard. Now you can do this, like select the date state wise. So this is what exactly I'm having here. So you can use like you can track it and resize it however you want to see all the state. Then you can select like this data, this whole data is now linked. This graph is built like based on this particular data, so that is also linked. That's how I made this dynamic chart. Okay, it's a dynamic chart. Earlier day, if you want to do like we do it like with a filter of data, then we plot something, or our table will be plotted accordingly like that, or the graphs will be plotted like that. Now what we are doing, like the data and graphs are linked, we are creating slicer that will act as a filter of your data, and you can generate the chart also, like graph, whatever the graph you made, that will be interactive to you. This is how we achieved. Super. You try it out. Let me know how much it is helpful to you in the comment section. So here one more gift from us. Okay, two more gift. As usual, you will get the gift from us. So now we will get that gift. What it is? We believe strongly like sharing knowledge is very important, and it is going to help the people in continuous basis, and that is the only important thing any human can share with the next generation. Very valuable asset. That's what I believe. That's the reason we want to develop continuously our knowledge and share the knowledge to next generation. So one option to learn is continuously, like we ourselves involving in learning process. The simplest, easiest, quickest way to learn, like you can attend the quiz and you can learn. Also you can ask questions, from that also you can learn. So those two options are available in our website. You can do it. Visit our website sustainablelifestylehub.com. From there you will get the option to access these quizzes. In the top RE quizzes, if you click, you will see this page. Like here you can see what are the things you can do. Okay, so how you can do, what is the prices and everything, you can see real prices you will get. Again here quizzes are available, you can participate. Quizzes is designed for the wind energy professionals. So like something like with WTG technology, sometime we will have like case studies, sometime we will have like wind energy basic related more things we will be adding. So you can take participate, also win the prizes. Apart from that, you have the option to ask the questions, the priority question section. If you click, the priority question form will open. Here you can ask up to 5 questions in the topic I listed. If you ask any other questions also, I will consult with the experts. I will share the information in the video format itself. That will be helpful for you. I hope today session helped you and it's add value to you, and it helps you to build a sustainable career within wind energy sector and renewable energy sector. Also it's help you to build a sustainable life for you and your family and contribute to the sustainable development of the world. In that way, I'm really happy to contribute into in the progress of your journey. Let us learn continuously and contribute to the sustainable development of the world. Thank you very much. See you in the next session with a lot of valuable information. Thank you very much.